All right, what a journey it has been. We're almost at the end of the challenge, and now what you need to do is start thinking ahead to the next round, okay? We got to push hard to the deadline on this one and hit our outcome goals, but it's also important to always be planning in advance for the next month, okay? So that we don't let it sneak up on us, all right? And we start the month unprepared. That's not acceptable. So let's go back and build our outcome goal, our numbers-based goal. Maybe it's a money goal, maybe it is a sales goal. We need to think about that. What are we trying to do? What's our number one priority for the next 30 days? This is also really great for building out and doing what's called quarterly planning, a 90-day big rock, and then you can break it down. Now, not only can you break it down into your 3 process goals, which we've talked about before, right? Your action steps that get you closer to your outcome goal, but we can also break it down into what can we do in 24 hours to get a fast victory. Think about the copy, the content, the connections that you can make in the next 24 hours to get that momentum going, the snowball of success rolling, and prevent demotivation from stepping in. Then we say, what do we do in 72 hours? Break it down, buddy, break it down. What can you do in 72 hours? Well, listen, if you made content, copy, or connections, well, we can go into deeper planning, or we can script something out, or we can start some filming here. This gives us enough time. We can get into a joint venture with somebody. And then 7 days. Let's go and break it down. What do we need to have done in 7 days to be on track for the 30-day goal or the 90-day quarterly plan? You need to have really, really deep planning. You need to have review sessions built in. You need to follow the challenge that you're going through. Just rinse and repeat over and over and over again. Because sometimes things slip through the cracks, right? We've been doing something very, very, very well, and then we start to not use it anymore. We forget. We're like not using my call to action script. We're not planning our nights and our mornings the night before. We're not doing all of the foundational blocking and tackling that got us here. And we start to slide down and we get back struggling where we're stuck and struggling. And I can't let that happen to you. So put in place all the details so that you go and grow. And that's part of the challenge, is always thinking ahead, planning ahead, because we know that structure equals freedom, all right? Drop me a comment below. I want to start hearing about your results from the challenge. Time to start entering your before and your afters and saying, hey, listen, I started doing 10K a month. Now we're at 25K a month. Or, hey, listen, now we're on pace for over 7 figures. Or now we finally got our first 100 clients. Or we sold out of stock, or whatever it is that you did. Drop me that comment below and let me know your results. And if you want to go to the next level, like, hey, listen, doing these 30 days on my own helped, but I need a coach to get to the next level, send me a private message, okay? Private message and say 30-day coaching, and we'll have a little chit chat about where and what you need to get to the next level, all right? Boom, let's go and grow.